This tutorial will cover how to use the features of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics databases. You can find the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetic databases by clicking on the A to Z databases link in the Quick Links box on the home page. Then scroll down on this page as these databases and manuals all start with the letter A. You will see that there are 5 Academy of Nutrition and Dietetic databases. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access the tutorials for each, as some can be a bit difficult to navigate. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics Electronic Nutrition Care Process Terminology Reference Manual is a guide to the definition and steps used in the nutrition care process. To find the tutorials for this database, go to Tools, click on the drop-down menu, and then from this menu choose NCP Tutorials. Make sure you log out at the end of your session, as only a limited number of people can access these databases at the same time. For the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics Evidence Analysis Library, this is a full-text research database on nutrition, nutrients, and foods used to promote health throughout the human life cycle, including evidence-based guidelines to treat diseases and conditions. To view the tutorials, go to the resources and click on the drop-down menu, and then from the menu choose EAC Orientation Tutorial. This tutorial is a bit more difficult to navigate, so I'm going to show you some screen captures for the next couple of slides. Next, choose which tutorial you would like to view. Once you have clicked on the tutorial you want to view, click on the double arrows in the top right corner to open the video tutorial. Then you must click on the play button in the bottom left corner for the video to start. The care manuals are easy to navigate, as they are all the same interface. One manual is the Nutrition Care Manual, another is the Pediatric Nutrition Care Manual, and the last manual is the Sports Nutrition Care Manual. These manuals include meal plans, calculators, and educational handouts for patients. Don't forget to log out at the end of your session, as only a limited number of people can access these databases and manuals at the same time. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics databases. If you have any questions, please let us know. All of our contact information is on the library's homepage. We are here for you.